Hi friends, this is the Python partner here, and now we are going to see some programs on dictionaries. We have already seen what dictionaries are, and I really hope you watch that video. If not, I really suggest you to go and watch that video and come back here. And now let's get into this program. So this program is all about, we are just going to get some words and we are just going to find the length of the word. And the very highlighted part here is we are just going to save all those words and as well as the length of the words inside the dictionary. So this is what we are going to see right now. Okay, so let's go. So in the starting of this program, we have an empty dictionary name my words, and the variable of I is initialized to 0, and in the next line we have a limit variable where we are asking the user to enter the number of words that he really wish to find the length. Okay. And for example, we are just assuming that we have entered 3 here, and and we have a while loop next, while I less than limit. So 0 less than 3. Value of I right now with a 0. Now the limit value we have taken as 3. So 0 less than 3, condition is satisfied. We are entering inside the while loop, and inside that we have a choice variable where we are asking the user to enter the particular word. And for example, here I am just entering cat, and now the choice variable is referring the value cat. Okay. And in the next line, next two lines, we have keyword and key value. Okay. Two variable where we are trying to create the unique key for each word as well as for its length. Okay, so here word underscore plus string of I in sense I value right now with a 0. We are converting it into string and we are just concatenating it. So word underscore 0. The keyword right now, the value will be word underscore 0 as well as key value is equal to value underscore 0. Okay, now we have created the unique key name for that particular word as well as its length. Okay, and now we are just going to add that both inside that dictionary named my words. So my words in the square bracket we are adding keyword. So keyword right now the value is word underscore 0. And we are just assigning the choice variable. What is that right now? It is cat. So word underscore 0, it is cat. And in my words of key value, what is the value of key value here? It is value underscore 0. And length of the choice, length of cat is 3. So value underscore 0, we'll have that value as 3. Now the I value is incremented to 1 and we are now once again checking the while loop condition. So 1 is less than 3. Of course, it is less than 3. So the condition is satisfied. We are entering 1 again inside this while loop. And again, we are just entering the word. So what is that? Now we can enter the word goat. Okay. So choice variable right now, it is referring to the value goat. And again, we are just going to create a unique key name for this word goat as well as for its length. So now the keyword will have the value word underscore 1 because now the I value is 1. It is converted to string and it is concatenated with this word underscore. Okay, so keyword will have the value word underscore 0 as well as key value will have that value underscore 1. Okay, and we are now adding both into the dictionary. My words of keyword. Keyword, what is the value right now? It is word underscore 1. And what is the choice variable right now? It is goat. So the word underscore 1 colon will have goat as well as key value right now will be value underscore 1. Okay, what is the length of that? It is 4. So it will be entered. So likewise, it keeps on happening till we satisfy this while loop. Okay, once when we are out of this while loop, we are just going to print that my words dictionary. So now you can see, yes, the word underscore 0 cat and value underscore 0 we have that particular length of that cat, it is 3, as well as yes, word underscore 1 we have a goat and value underscore 1 we have 4. Okay, so this is how it happens. Yeah, that's it. So I hope you really understand this program. So join me friends in this journey of learning. Let's make this journey more interesting. Bye bye and take care.